Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by arming the fogger and checking essentials. This prevents mid-raid failures. Fit a fresh canister, attach a charged battery, and verify filter seals. Once done, move to high cover roughly 10 to 15 meters from the expected breach point so the plume reaches the objective without exposing you. Make sure your teammate watches flanks while you prepare, clear radio channel 2, and confirm readiness. Deploy immediately after visual confirmation of enemy movement to maximize surprise and control. You now execute the actual fogging sequence with deliberate, controlled bursts so the cloud densifies quickly and stays where needed. Use burst mode, 3 to 5 second sprays, and sweep vertically then horizontally to eliminate pockets of empty air. This creates an even smoke volume that blocks sight and sensors. Once sprays begin, watch airflow and ventilation. If you detect a draft, aim 10 to 20 degrees into the flow to compensate. Keep communicating adjustments to your partner while maintaining situational awareness. You finish by holding the line until the fog reaches peak density, usually 8 to 12 seconds, then either advance or provide cover for teammates. If output drops, swap canisters immediately. Do not wait for full depletion because density loss costs seconds you cannot buy back. If the unit fails, check battery contact first, then clear the nozzle of obstructions and reseat the canister. These quick fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, fall back to secondary cover and call for resupply to avoid mission compromise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.